Hello, Namaskara. This is Aksharadvani channel. Nanu Nima Nisha Teacher. Knowledge of languages is the doorway to wisdom. In this video, we are going to learn some basics of Kannada. Self-addressing words like I, mine, ours. In Kannada, the self-addressing words always starts with a na. I is nanu, mine is nannadu, ours is nammadu. Addressing the next person like you, your, yours. In Kannada, for addressing the next person, it always starts with ni. For you is neenu, your is ninna. For an older person, we say nimma. Yours is ninnadu. For an older person, it is nimmadu. If a person or an object is near, then it always starts with E. Like he, ivanu, she, ivalu, it, idu, they, ivaru, this, idu, here, illi. If a person or an object is far, then it always starts with a. Like he, avanu, she, avalu, it, adu, there, alli, they, avaru, that, adu. Now in Kannada, how do you say I am Nisha? Nanu Nisha. That is yours. Adu ninnadu. Now how do you say come here? Comment ಮಾಡಿ. For more videos, like, comment and subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿತು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. This is Aksharadvani signing off.